Okay, so let's make another hat. And this hat is what we call King of Hearts. We need two inflated balloons, fully inflated, like this. Okay, let's put these two balloons like this. Approximate 15 inches. This length, like this. Okay, connect it like this. And connect the other side like so. Now, all you need to do is you need to put this mid section and put it together by twisting this part. And this end, put it this end here. And the other side, just do the same process by twisting this section. And we have a hat. Now, all we need is, of course, the heart. Okay, so I inflated already a heart like this. So just put this heart here at the top. Just like that. Now you have an instant King of Hearts. Hope you like it. Enjoy.